Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to fix this account cannot be used problem in WhatsApp. That is how to fix your banned account problem on WhatsApp. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, long press on the WhatsApp application on your mobile. Go to app info and then at the bottom of your screen you can see the clear data option. You tap on it and tap on clear all data. Confirm that you want to clear all data. After that, you go ahead and open the WhatsApp application again. After that, you simply go ahead with the process, tap on agree and continue, and then enter your phone number and then tap on next. Tap on OK. After that, instead of continuing with this page, what you do is you go to the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the three dotted icon, then tap on help. After that, tap on visit our help center. This will redirect you to the help center of WhatsApp. After that, you scroll down until you see the contact us option. You tap on it. Then tap on the link of contact us on WhatsApp Messenger support. After that, you select the country you're from and then enter your phone number. After that, enter your email address, confirm your email address and then select the device on which you use your WhatsApp. After that, you enter your message below, which means that you request for your account to be unbanned in WhatsApp and that you have not violated any of their community guidelines. So you want your account to be unbanned and you want WhatsApp to look into it. After that, you tap on next step. Then it will redirect you to another page where you'll have to submit the information and then WhatsApp will get back to you and your account will be unbanned if it hasn't violated any serious community guidelines of WhatsApp. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.